One thing they have not changed are the tunnels. Because they don't have to go up. It's just things they have to jump over.
We're going to take bids until 4 o'clock tomorrow. And the winning bidder will they use this money to hand off to the Scouts platform for registration and the whole gamut of scouting activity. So, that's going on out there. And don't forget the big sign on the inside gymnasium. Lots of items there. You can take a walk through. You can find if there's something in there that you would like. The only activities running today, so enjoy yourself. If you're interested in a helicopter ride over by the baseball field, 2 people to go on the ride, and $30 per person. That's going to be going on again tomorrow as well. So, lots of activities. Don't forget, 4:30, our final big event of the day. Go back, though.
She was coming on the dog walk and I looked at her eyes. She is got some iris atrophy. She'll probably be blind in a few years. So I get concerned. She had some goop and I cleaned it up. It seemed to help. But I'm trying to get her master's in agility, which is called the mock, run, and she'll need 2 more double Qs. And she likes to run. As long as you got food, she'll do anything. But that was unusual for her to be a little bit so slow like that. So that's why I stopped to kind of check her out. After all, she's 9 and a half, and she's getting around with the eyesight she's got. She doesn't do the dark tunnels too well. Okay, while they're changing the height, I'd like to show you something. Yeah. That they even understand where the obstacle is, how to work with it. I mean, that she understands she has to go all the way around to get in that opening. It's good to train obstacle names, but we do a lot of training on the body language. The dogs understand how we move our body, our shoulders, our feet. They all give information, and they're all forms of communication in how to run the course. What we're going to do is start out. Whoever wants to start out first, 20 inch. Anybody who wants to run 20 inch. We're just going to have them come on out. We're just going to run them through quickly. I'm not going to do announcements with it. So if you want to stay with that, I do want to say if you are leaving, make sure you stop by our booth over here that has more information. And I thank you with watching our handlers today. They've all done a terrific job. We are going to do a little photo at the end.